Hey, welcome back. If you're working inside Google Workspace and you're stuck choosing between AppSheet and AppScript, this video is made for you. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool fits your situation. And if you find this useful, hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel. Overview. Both tools come from Google. Both live inside the Workspace ecosystem, but they serve completely different people. AppSheet is a no-code platform. You connect a data source like Google Sheets or a SQL database, and it builds you a mobile or web app automatically. Zero code written. AppScript is low-code JavaScript that runs on Google servers and lets you automate and extend almost every Google product, Sheets, Gmail, Docs, Calendar, Forms with real code logic. Let's talk real differences. AppSheet wins on speed of deployment. You can have a working, shareable app in under an hour with no coding. AppScript takes longer, but gives you way more flexibility, complex logic, API calls, dynamic email workflows, scheduled triggers, custom Sheets functions. AppSheet hits a hard ceiling when your business logic gets complicated. Now, for pricing, and this is huge, AppScript is completely free, no paid tiers at all. AppSheet costs $5 to $10 per user per month just to deploy to real users. AppScript does have execution limits though. Free Gmail accounts get only 6 minutes per run and 90 minutes daily. Google Workspace accounts get 30 minutes per run and 6 hours daily. For most internal automations, that's more than enough. On integrations, AppScript goes deeper inside Google products with triggers and custom menus. AppSheet connects to more external sources like SQL databases and third-party APIs. Bottom line, if you need a real app with a UI, forms, and views for a non-technical team, go with AppSheet. If you need automation, data processing, or deep workspace control, go with AppScript. And the smart move? Use both together. AppSheet reads the same sheets that AppScript writes to. That combo is genuinely powerful. That's it for today. Subscribe, hit like, and check the description for links and a full comparison chart. Drop a comment, tell me what you're building. See you in the next one.